Prayer for Unity with Psalm 133.1. Welcome to Prayer for Unity, Part 1. Today, we delve into the beautiful words of Psalm 133:1, which reads, "Behold, how good and pleasant it is when brothers dwell in unity." This verse reminds us of the profound blessing that unity brings to our lives and communities. Unity, as spoken of in the Bible, is not just the absence of conflict but the presence of love and harmony. It is a state of being where differences are embraced, and we stand together as one in our faith and purpose. Let us bow our heads in prayer, seeking the divine grace that can help us achieve this unity. Pray for unity in your family, in your community, and in the world. As we come together in prayer, we can make a difference. I invite you to subscribe to our channel to join us in this journey of spiritual growth. Share this video with your loved ones so that we can spread the message of unity far and wide. And most importantly, leave a comment below with the word Amen to signify your commitment to fostering unity in our world. Together, through prayer and action, we can make the world a more harmonious and loving place. Thank you for being a part of this prayer for unity.